Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post anonymously on Facebook group. So first step you need to do is to open a Facebook application. So I'm going to select this group that is on the top and I'm going to write something that is this group is anything that you want. This group, but here you can see there is no option because that group don't allow post anonymously, so you need to go back and we are going to find another group. So I'm going to click here, go on to the groups, and here I'm going to select another group. So I'm going to select this one, and here you need to write something. I am new here, for example, and you simply need to check this option. And once you post that, you can see that this is the your profile will be shown as like this, anonymous participant, and then you need to click on post. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.